In today's video, I will guide you on how you can encrypt your emails in Outlook. So let's get started. So first of all, is that you would need the Microsoft 365 subscription in order for you to do this. So once you have that, you want to go here into Outlook. And then from here, you just need to go here into create an email. So you should have this button here. Click on new mail, and then you should have this. Now, you can now type out your message and then your recipient. And then you could even upload a file just like this one right here. You could upload something like that. And now next thing is that you want to go into options, and then you should have the lock icon here, and that would be the encrypt option or button so that you'd be able to encrypt this email. But I don't have the Microsoft 365 subscription, so I don't have that right here under my options tab. Now, next is another alternative that you could do if you don't have the encrypt option is that you can just encrypt the document or the file itself that you'll be sending. So you can just do that by going to google.com, and then you could go for file encryption online. And from here, a lot of sites would offer that, and I suggest that you would be specific to the file type. Like for example, you can go for PDF encryption online. You can go here into I love PDF, and all you have to do is upload a PDF file, and then you would be able to download the encrypted version of that file, and then you can just upload it here into your email here in Outlook. In that way, your file or message will be encrypted there, and then you can just click here on send. So Outlook message encryption is a feature that requires a Microsoft 365 plan with Microsoft Purview Information Protection or Exchange Online Services. So if you don't have that and you'd want to get it, you can just search for it in Google, M365, and then you'd have this, and just simply click here on Get Microsoft 365, which is you can buy now right here by clicking on the Buy Now button. So that's it on how you could do this. I hope this video has helped you out. Thank you for watching.